There's a lot of interest right now in Comfyui tutorials, especially for beginners who are just starting out. I'm planning to launch a complete series designed to take you from zero to fully confident in using Comfyui. Now here's the question for you. What kind of tutorials would be the most useful? Do you want me to start with the absolute basics, like setting up everything from scratch? That means creating a Python virtual environment and installing everything properly, step by step. And when I say properly, I don't mean using portable or pre-made setups that hide all the details. I mean showing you the developer's way of doing it, pulling the Comfyui repo directly from GitHub and setting it up entirely through commands. This method isn't just about getting it running. It teaches you how things actually work, so when problems pop up later, you'll know how to fix them instead of being stuck. So here's where you come in. Let me know in the comments what type of tutorials you want to see first. Do you want the full setup guide, troubleshooting tips, or maybe creative workflow examples? If there's enough demand, I'll make this series happen. And by the end, you'll not only know how to use Comfyui, but also understand it like a developer.